When a girl is in Istanbul, shopping is the most logical thing to do. And the Turkish like to bargain. Our first day in the city, and the streets look like a movie set. We're on our way to My Terrace Cafe. These stairs are tough, but the view should be worth it. This city is huge. Thrifting in Balat, the modern arts exhibitions, the bazaars, the most famous kebab shop. A girl has a lot to do. I hope everything is open on a Sunday. Let's plan the route.
You get like a little bit of everything. So good. It's so good. Do you hear it? Like crackling? These look really good. Can I do 100 grams of the jasmine? Yes.
One bone for one. And on the top, this is from you This one 5 grams.
Stick to what you need. There are so many temptations and not enough luggage space. Every place to eat has its own personal hype man.
Call it and let me know if you smell it too.
A fur jacket is a staple for winter.
Oh, I like that.
This would be so cute as decor. I should have taken more cash with me for the thrifts. This dress is so carry-coated.
Dude, I wanted this so bad. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wait, am I forgetting something? I don't think I've done enough damage on this trip just yet. So stay tuned.